어벤져스 뉴욕전투 헐크 이 장면은 지금 봐도 미쳤다.
Just trying to keep him off the streets.
Well, they can't bank worth a damn. Find a tight corner.
I will roger that. Nice call. What else you got?
Well, Thor's taking on a squadron down on 6th.
And he didn't invite me.
Captain, none of this is gonna mean a damn thing if we don't close that portal.
Our biggest guns couldn't touch it.
Oh, maybe it's not about guns.
If you want to get up there, you're gonna need a ride.
I got a ride. I could use a boost, though.
You sure about this?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Turn left.
헐크가 치타우리 분대를 박살내는 순간 진짜 미쳤지. 근데 마지막에 토르 한 대 치는 거 왜 그랬을까? 이 장면 지금 봐도